Hi beautiful lovelies, welcome back to my channel. You're welcome back to another video. If today is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Stephanie and you're welcome to Stephy's Space. Please don't make it your last by clicking on the subscribe button and join the family. And to my returning subscribers, hey my lovelies, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for your support. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make this detox drink for weight loss and for clear glowing skin. Let's just get right into this video. Welcome back. So for this detox drink, these are the things we're going to be using. I'll be using lemon. This is local lemon. This is not the foreign one. This is the local lemon. These are the ones I was able to get. And then we'll be needing strawberries. Yeah, these strawberries are not really ripe. We'll just manage it. And then mint leaf, and also water and a jug or a bowl. Whatever one you have, you can use, but we'll need water too as well. Yeah, so I'll start by slicing my strawberries into little bits. This is just to, just to let everything soak properly into the water so that the juices, everything will be extracted into the water. Yep, and then I used 9 strawberries. And then I'll also slice my lemons into tiny bits as well. Same thing to allow everything soak into the water properly. So, yep, it's that simple. But just know you have a glowing skin after taking this, and it will detox you very, very well, to be honest. Yeah, I'll just go ahead now to just cut my, what's it called? Mint leaf. I'm not really cutting it with knife. I'm just trying to separate them, removing the stick and all that. So right now I'll just go ahead to add water into the jug. I'll just add water into the jug. I'll be adding 2.5 bottle water. Yep. Anyways, it's depending on the jug you're using or maybe the bowl you're using. So I do measure it with this, and 2.5 is perfectly okay for my measurement for the strawberry, lemon, and the mint I'm using. Yeah, so I'll just add the water, and then I'll go ahead to add my lemon first. I'll just add the lemon first. And then I also go ahead to add the strawberry into the water as well. Just add everything into the water. After the strawberry, I'll still go ahead to add my mint leaf. I'll be adding everything. Yeah, I'm just trying to separate everything as well, so it will soak properly into the water. Yeah, so this is it. It's this simple. After you finish adding this, you just stir it, either a bigger spoon, but here I'm using my wicks, just to stir them together. And then yeah, that is just it. After stirring this, you leave it refrigerated for the night, all through the night. Then the next morning you can start taking your detox water. So that is it. It's so simple, so easy, but it works like magic. Yep, so that is it. I just thought to share. This is how it's looking, but I'm going to refrigerate it first before taking it. Yep, so we've come to the end of this video. If you enjoy watching, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and I'll see you in my next video.